If you have a cleaning business and you're struggling to scale it, stick around and watch the rest of this video. My name's Ruben. I used to own a carpet cleaning business and we struggled to book jobs at first. When I first started my carpet cleaning business, I had a lot on the line. My first son had just been born and I was brand new to the carpet cleaning industry, had no experience whatsoever, didn't know how to book jobs, barely knew how to clean carpets, but I had to make this work because I had a family to feed. So we struggled for the first 6 months and we managed to get a little bit of business coming in, enough that I was able to hire a helper so that I could get a little freedom from the business and start trying to figure out how I could really scale this operation. It took a little while for us to figure out that Google was really the key. If you can get your cleaning business on Google, then you can get in front of a lot of hungry customers who are ready to get their carpets cleaned. Now, when you're first starting out, it can be a struggle to get found on Google. It can be a struggle to get anyone to find your cleaning business at all, especially if you don't have any reviews or reputation. Nobody's ever heard of you. Hardly anybody's ever hired you. You don't have a lot of social proof or a big track record to share, right? That's the situation I was in. So when I was first starting out, I did everything I could to get cleaning customers to come in. I ran a Groupon to bring in my first 100 customers, made almost no money off of that. I signed up with HomeAdvisor and did a year of the HomeAdvisor program, buying leads through them. I basically broke even on that, which is to say, I lost money after you account for all of the expenses of owning a cleaning business. So I really struggled with those programs. They didn't work for me. I signed up for magazine ads. I tried direct mail. I tried local partnerships. I did a lot of stuff to try to grow my cleaning business and get customers coming in. But what really worked for me was Google. So once I was able to start getting a bit of a reputation, just a handful of reviews, I started running ads on Google. And what I noticed is that the ads, they brought customers in a lot quicker. And so even though I only had a handful of reviews, customers who needed their carpets cleaned today were highly likely to click on my ads and come to my website and hire us to clean their carpets. We started running more ads for our cleaning business. Quickly, it brought in more customers. We did the best job that we could for them, provided excellent customer service, wore shoe covers, cleaned the floor after we left, made sure that we included pre-treatment and deodorizer and all the things they need for the job to be done right. We did all of that stuff correctly so that customers would be happy. They left us reviews on Google, and slowly our reputation started to grow. And as our reputation grew and we started to spend more on ads, our company really started to grow. And at this point, I was able to get out of the van. I was able to spend a lot more time thinking about how to grow the business and how to scale it. And I was trying to figure out how to do hiring and training. And so it was really important for me to try to figure out a way for us to scale this business to the next level. And once again, Google came in handy. As I found time and time again in my career, Google really is a powerful source of customers. People go to Google when they need something done. If you need your carpets cleaned, your house cleaned, your driveway washed, your windows cleaned, you're highly likely to go to Google and search for somebody in your local area who offers that service. So we just leveraged that knowledge to grow my cleaning business to a couple of vans, and then we sold it. So after I sold my cleaning business, we started working with other cleaners across the country to implement some of the same techniques that I use in my cleaning business. And some of these cleaners, they were friends that I knew from before I had a franchise. So we worked with a couple of dozen franchisees to test these processes out, make sure that it worked everywhere in every geography, large and small. We have clients in small cities. We have clients in more rural areas. We have clients in big urban areas. We've tested this out and found that Google really is the best source of traffic if you have a cleaning business. So getting found on Google is the key here, but advertising is the way that you turn it up, right? So if you want to grow bigger than just a one-man operation, if your dreams are to grow a multi-van operation, to grow a bigger team, bigger company, maybe scale and sell that company one day, then advertising on Google is probably the quickest way for you to do that. It's not just about getting found on Google, it's about getting found on Google over and over again. And ads are probably the quickest way for you to accomplish that. There's other ways too, like SEO. You need to have a powerful website that's built with search engine optimization in mind. You need to pay attention to your Google business profile and some other things as well. But those are really the keys to getting found on Google reliably and repeatedly by customers in your local area who are ready to hire a cleaning business. If you want to scale your cleaning business, getting found on Google really is the key. Now, we've tested this with more than just a couple of dozen franchisees at this point. We've rolled this plan out to hundreds of cleaners across the United States. We had a cleaner in Texas who made over $17,000 in his first 2 months in business. We've had cleaners expand their operations, adding vans and locations to their cleaning business. We've had success with this program all over the country. If you need help doing something like this with your cleaning business, if you're struggling to scale and you need a partner to help you scale that cleaning business, go to BookCleaningJobs.com, request time to speak with us.